Now let us look at some other options. Some more options are like collapsible text. What does it mean is that you just take this up here. Let's say hi, hello, something like this. Some text which will be collapsible, just like this. So it will be collapsible. So this kind of option is also there, collapsible text. And then we have seen button, and there's a divider. Divider is just to divide between two sections. Like for example, if I click on divider, there's a division happened here, right? So like this you can use divider, and then you can upload a YouTube video as well, probably computers. And also you can insert a calendar. So if you click on this, you can insert a calendar. And also you can insert a document from Google Drive. For example, I can insert this document. I can adjust the size as well. I can even insert the slides, Google Slides. And I can even attach sheets. Sheets are nothing but your kind of MS Excel, and you can attach forms also and charts also. So these are some other options which you can explore more. So after this, as we have seen, there are pages and there are themes as well. Themes are like you can change the theme. Like if you want to apply this theme, it will look like this. If you apply this one, it will be looking like this. Which one would be something like this. I suppose this is Diplomat is fine, and you can even change the color also. So this kind of themes is also provided. After that, we see about share with others. This is to just share with the other person, so that he can also work on this website. So you can collaboratively work with them or work with a person to build your website. And this is for preview, as I said before. Like in our browser or in our computer, this will look like this. But whereas if you go to the tablet view would be something like this. And if you go to mobile phone, this would look like this. So we can preview how it looks in different devices. And then there is in the settings, you can control where this menu actually displays. You can make this menu to display on the top or the side as well. Side means it will be visible here. And you can even control the color. You can make it white, make it black, or even transparent as well. So some other controls are there which you can explore more. And then all these changes are just saved in the drive. This website is not online or not live to be accessible by others. To make it accessible to others or to make it live, you need to hit on publish. So once you hit on this, you could see that the website address is just like this: https sites.google.com/view/PraveenMB. Anyone can view my site. You can manage whether everyone can view or only set of users can view it. You can manage using this. You can explore more about it, like just provide the email addresses so that only they can view it. Or if you just provide a link, only those people will be able to access. But as of now, anyone can access it for me. And whether you want to make this site visible in the search engine or not, Google search engine or Yahoo search engine. So I don't want to block it in the search engine. It should be visible in the search engine as well. So I'm just keeping like this. So this would be my complete address through which I'll be able to access my site. I'll just hit publish. It will take a few seconds to publish. The site has been published successfully. Can I click on view? So this is how your site is looking like. Oh, and then about education qualifications. Let's see Scratch. If you see the Scratch page, here the notes that we have previously put in the Scratch page is visible here, and also we have put a YouTube video. It's playable.
If you work with computers,
and even the calendar is visible, and this is document. We have made it a small size. If anyone wants, they can just click on this and open a document. Right, so, and even the Google Slides, it can go on slideshow, or you can go to next page. Even you can open it in the different tab altogether. Right, so this is how you build your website using Google Sites. You can click on this link. This is the link that you can copy link and share with your friends or colleagues or to whomever you want to access to your site. Thank you. Thank you for your time.